Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you something that I believe that is actually really cool. So you have not one but two IP66 waterproof solar floodlights that this brand sent to me for this video. We're gonna set up this one right here outdoors, so this one are gonna be charging and kind of like having direct sunlight and charge this fantastic and big solar panel. You can see that this one is actually really cool. And by the way, you can just mount it in the wall if you want, or just mount it in the roof if you also want. You just put this one over here, or you can just like set it up to be in the floor if you also want, in the ground if you also want. But for mounting it in the wall, you have all these ones right here, so you can do it properly, no issues. And then you're gonna have these two cables over here. Each one of these cables, which by the way, they are really long cables. These are really long cables, so you can set up this one in the roof if you want and just point one light all the way to the left and another light all the way to the right. But you can set up that one over there without any issues. I'm going to connect the floodlights in a little bit. Also, this one comes with a remote controller that also comes with the batteries. I mean, they just give you everything. And with this one, you can set it up with a timer. You can set it up for like 3 hours, 5 hours, 8 hours, or just like turn them on and off, dim the lights, and also change the lights as well. These two are 60 watts. You also have plenty of other versions up to, if I'm not mistaken, this one were to up to 300 watts. So you have many to select, but these are the 60 watts. You can see how kind of like big these ones are and has so many bright LED panels over there. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna connect it to the solar panel. We're gonna let it charge. We're gonna put it like in direct sunlight, and we're gonna come back here at night so you can see how bright these ones are. And we're also gonna test the remote controller as well. Okay, check this out. We have the solar panel right here. It has been out all day and it has been charging all the lights, and you can see that the lights are not even connected right now. So we had this solar panel all day with the UV light and sunlight. And check this out. We have the lights over here on. Boom, we have the first one. Check this out. This is insane. They're not even connected right now, and you can see how bright these ones are. Check this out. Look at this. This kind of like range is actually really wide, but you want to go even wider. Check this out. We have the second one also on, and you can see again how bright these ones are. You want to go blind? Let's go blind. Check this out, how bright these ones are. And you have this one over here, and then you have this other one over here, which I think these are really cool. Just the fact that you can separate them both and you can charge them all day with the sunlight and with the solar panel, it's actually really cool. And with the remote controller, you can dim the lights, you can turn them off, you can set it up in auto, which I think it is really cool. And also you can have 3 hours, 5 hours, or 8 hours with a timer. So one more time, you have this super cool floodlights with the solar panel, really bright, really easy to use. You can mount them on the wall, you can mount the solar panel in the wall, and you can just make sure that you have this every single time with the super bright floodlights.